Are you looking for the best toilet brushes? Top 5 picks for a cleaner bathroom. Toilet brushes might not be the most glamorous household tool, but they're absolutely essential for keeping your bathroom fresh and sanitary. With growing awareness around hygiene and modern design preferences, today's toilet brushes are smarter, sleeker, and more effective than ever. In this guide, we'll review 5 top-rated toilet brushes based on their design, cleaning performance, durability, ease of storage, and overall value, helping you find the best one for your bathroom.
Product number 1. Simplehuman Toilet Brush with Caddy Stainless Steel White. If you're looking for a stylish and functional toilet brush, the Simplehuman Toilet Brush with Caddy is a standout. It features a sleek stainless steel handle and an innovative crescent-shaped brush head that easily reaches tricky under-rim areas. The stiff bristles are ideal for scrubbing stubborn stains without scratching the porcelain. A magnetic collar secures the brush to the open back caddy, allowing for smooth and hygienic storage. While slightly more expensive than others, its premium look and smart design make it worth the investment, especially for those who appreciate modern, minimalist aesthetics in their bathroom. The brush head is replaceable, which adds to its long-term value. Overall, it's perfect for anyone who wants both performance and elegance in one.
Product number 2. Clorox Original Toilet Cleaning System. Toilet wand, storage caddy, and 16 heads. For those who prioritize convenience and hygiene, the Clorox ToiletWand system is a game changer. This disposable cleaning system comes with a wand, a sleek storage caddy, and 16 pre-loaded scrubbing pads filled with Clorox cleaner. Instead of reusing a traditional brush, you simply attach a new head, scrub, and toss it in the trash, eliminating the need to store a wet, bacteria-prone brush. It's incredibly effective at removing stains and leaves a fresh scent behind. Ideal for busy households or those with hygiene concerns, it ensures a mess-free experience with minimal effort. Though the refill heads can add up in cost, the sanitary benefits and ease of use make it a worthwhile choice.
Product number 3. OXO Good Grips Compact Toilet Brush and Canister, White. OXO's Good Grips Compact Toilet Brush combines practicality with minimalist design. It features a durable brush head with stiff bristles that can handle daily cleaning with ease. The standout feature is its ventilated canister. It automatically opens when the brush is lifted and allows for quick drying and odor control. Its compact size is ideal for smaller bathrooms or under-sink storage. The handle has OXO's signature soft grip, making it comfortable to hold even during tough scrubbing. This brush is affordable, well-designed, and perfect for anyone seeking a simple yet effective tool. The only downside is that the brush head is not replaceable, so you'll eventually need to replace the entire unit.
Product number 4. The Siga Toilet Bowl Brush and Holder, Premium Quality. The Siga Toilet Brush and Holder offers serious durability and cleaning power at an affordable price. Featuring tough bristles and a solid ergonomic handle, this brush makes scrubbing both efficient and comfortable. The dense bristle design reaches under the rim and deep into the bowl to remove stains and residue. Its sleek, closed holder keeps everything discreet while preventing drips and odors. Ideal for high-traffic bathrooms, the Siga's brush is both rugged and budget-friendly. Although it doesn't offer fancy features like a replaceable head or self-cleaning technology, it gets the job done and then some. If you need a no-fuss, high-performing brush, this one won't disappoint.
Product number 5. Hamator Toilet Bowl Brush Holder Set. The Hamator Toilet Bowl Brush Set impresses with a flexible design that's both functional and sleek. Its brush head is made from TPR silicone, which resists wear, deformation, and prevents scratching the toilet bowl. The silicone bristles are easy to clean and resist gunk buildup, ideal for long-term use. It comes with a stylish, compact holder that includes a vented base for quick drying and less bacterial growth. One of its standout features is the extended reach and bendable brush head, perfect for cleaning under the rim and other hard-to-reach areas. It's ideal for those who want an eco-friendly, durable, and modern alternative to traditional brushes. The only caveat? Silicone may not be as abrasive for tough stains.